Alrighty guys, welcome back to another trade recap video. Hopefully some of you guys were able to take this dub today. Overall, we waited, the entire morning for this setup. I was actually about to get off. I said it in the live stream if you guys were in it. If we ended up taking out these London lows, I was going to get off because we would not have our SMT anymore. Luckily for us, we held it. We ended up getting our setup, guys, and we ended up making money today. And it's as simple as we sat through the trading hours and we didn't take anything until we saw our setup, until we saw our model, and that's what we executed on. So I'll get into it. Overall today, 100% bullish bias. This 4 hour was basically our conviction for the day. ES had already inversed this bearish 4 hour gap, so the only other thing that ES had was these 4 hour highs. We'd want to see those get hit today, realistically. NQ did inverse this 4 hour gap. From there, longs were pretty clear. We did have to rebalance this range, though. We had an hourly gap here that we had already tapped into. It looks like we ended up holding this as well, which is crazy. We're just going to straight rip here. But we had London lows below us. And, we did have to rebalance this range. So, coming into it, throughout this morning, 9:30 open right there, complete bullish order flow. We get nothing. There was this inverse here that I kind of liked, but ES had already taken out this 15-minute low. So, there's no trade there, guys, and it's as simple as that, and I'll say it over and over and over and over and over again. All right? There's no setup there, guys. ES had already taken out this 15-minute low. There's no reason to force that, okay? Sat on our hands. We sat through all this dump. What could have been, profit or whatever? No, it wasn't profit because there wasn't a setup there. That didn't follow our model, okay? There's no reason why we should be taking that. All right, we sit on our hands and we wait. So we wait, 10:50 to 11:10 macro. What happens? We come down for these London lows. All right, guys. Also, the standard deviation, I dropped this in sauce on the live stream. So make sure, if you guys are not in those free daily live streams in my free Discord, make sure you click the link down below. I went over this. Marking out the manipulation leg standard deviation here. As you can see, we tap this -2.5. We put it in SMT here. This aligns with our bias, guys. It aligns with our bias. Clean 1 minute inversion right here. Super displacing candle here. Took my entry here. Just targeted this 5 minute, guys. Just targeted this 5 minute. That's it, because that's all I needed. That was my confident draw on liquidity, was this unfilled 5 minute, guys. I didn't need all this. I did not need all this. And as you can see, we literally just chopped around. Now we're starting to get a move, but, I did not need all that. I was happy with what I got. Mainly, guys, it's just all about going throughout each trading day the same and just following your rules and following your system, all right? This day was no different than any other day. In all honesty, we had some shit price action, and it was just waiting around, and NQ did bless us, and we ended up getting an A+ setup in my eyes. This was an A+ setup, 100%, and why do you think I took it? It's a no news Monday. Why would I put capital on the table to risk? Because this is an A+ setup. I would take this setup any day of the week, guys. All right, A+ setup like this, the market is literally forcing me to take this trade. That's how confident I am in the draw on liquidity. So hopefully some of you were able to make some profits on this trade, or at least take something away. And if not, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Please make sure you guys join the free trading live streams. All right, guys, they are the best way for you guys to learn. Peace out, guys. Enjoy your day.